Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. So in this video, we'll be practicing some questions which are related to active passive voice. Okay. Students who are going to appear for RIMC exam which is there in June to 2023, it is important for you to join Rankers batch if you want to prepare seriously for your upcoming exam. Okay. How to join? What you all have to do? You just call on the numbers which is here on the screen in order to know more details related to the course. Okay, so the first question in front of you, a child is drinking orange juice. This is your active voice here. This is your active voice. You have to change it into passive voice. So what will be the passive voice of this? Please tell me. Try to give me the answer. Yes. Orange juice is drinking, is being drunk will be the form. So orange juice is being drunk by a child. Next, please submit the assignment on time. Please submit the assignment on time. You are requested to submit the assignment on time. You are requested to submit the assignment on time. Remember, those students who are taking live classes, they know all the rules that how you have to change active into passive and passive into active. Okay. YouTube video is just to make you in practice related to all the topics of English grammar. So that's why I'm telling you again and again, do join our live classes so that your concepts are clear, your basics are clear, and then you can easily attempt the questions which we will be providing you on YouTube. Next, did the dentist take out your rotten tooth? Did the dentist take out your rotten tooth? I have told the students the rule that if did is your did is your verb, did plus V1 is your verb here, then how you have to change? So your answer will be was your rotten tooth taken out by the dentist? This will be the right answer. Was your rotten tooth taken out by the dentist? Next question, okay. So students who are targeting Sainik School exam for 20, the exam of whose is in January 24. So we have introduced Toppers Pro batch for you, which is very, we have introduced Toppers Pro batch for you. Registrations are already open, classes are running. So if you want to prepare seriously, you have to just make a call and you have to book your seats for that. Next, because you all know your Navodaya exam is near, Geometry School has started Nipun batch, which is basically designed for class 6th. Okay, so you will and get everything which is there mentioned in the thumbnail. So better to take the course and start preparing. Students who are interested only for the mock test, we have a course for you which is known by the name Daksh. If you just want to purchase the test series or the mock test, you can go for the course Daksh. Next, music is loved by Jamie. This is my passive voice, and what will be the active voice? Jamie loves music. Jamie loves music is the right answer. Jamie loves music is the right answer. Next question. Change the voice. Ramesh said, Hurrah, my paper is published. Ramesh said, Hurrah, my paper is published. What will be the right answer? Ramesh exclaimed with joy that his paper is published. Ramesh exclaimed with joy that his paper is published. So this is the right answer. Next, if I talk about the teammates will manage the dreadful situation. The teammates will manage the dreadful situation. The dreadful situation will be managed by the teammates. The dreadful situation will be managed by the teammates. The dreadful situation will be managed by the teammates. This will be your right answer. First, just identify the verb here. What is the verb? What is the verb here? Will manage is the verb. How you will change it? You will change it in this way. Rules, again I am telling you, if you are attending my live classes, you all are familiar with the rules. But if you are not attending, this session is meant for practice. Go take the live classes and come on YouTube just to ensure your practice and to be very and to become yourself very strong. Okay. Next, students who are targeting RMS exam, which is there in December, Geometry School has introduced Achievers patch for you. Here also the registrations are open, the classes are already running, so you are already short of time. you want to waste it, you can waste, but your time is precious. So we have introduced Achievers Batch. Do join it, call on the numbers which are there and ensure your selection. Next, can you develop the new site? Can you develop the new site? Can the new site be developed by you? Can the new site be developed by you? This is the right answer of this question. Next, this house was built in 1486. This house was built in 1486. So they built that house in 1486. They built that house in 1486. Clear? Next, UP Scenic students, there is good news for you. Geometry School has introduced Nishchay batch. ज्वाइन करेंगे, आपको बेनिफिट रहेगा अगर आप यूपी सैनिक को टारगेट कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू शुड find an accurate solution for your success, and that is Nishchay batch by Geometry School. You are to serve the guests. You are to serve the guests. The guests are to be served by you. Option number A is the right answer. The guests are to be served by you. This is the right answer. Next, had the peon rung the bell? Had the peon rung the bell? Had yes, had the bell been rung by the peon? Had the bell been rung by the peon? Had the peon rung the bell? Had the bell being rung by the peon? Had the bell being rung by the peon? Had the bell had the bell being rung by the peon? No, no, no. This is not the right answer. The right answer is option number D. Had the bell been rung by the peon? Had the bell been rung by the peon? Okay, students. So I hope you get something by practicing these 20 questions which are related to active passive voice. So if you like the video, just do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And also you have to press the bell icon, because if you are not subscribing it, if you are not pressing the like bell icon, you will not receive important notifications on time, and then what you will do, you will waste your time by looking here and there for complete information. Okay, till then, thank you for watching the video. I'll be bringing more topics related to grammar in my next video. What you have to do, you just have to maintain a consistency. You have to watch the videos continuously, because I am sure that you people will be gaining a lot, and you people will perform better in the class. Okay, so students, thank you. Bye bye and take care.